The Kuala Lumpur High Court heard on Monday that the information submitted to the Companies Commission of Malaysia on Nepturis Sdn Bhd's shareholding structure did not amount to deception. The prosecution's 13th witness, Nepturis director and shareholder 47-year-old Aliza Abdul Malik, said this during cross-examination in the trial of former Prime Minister Tan Sri Muhyiddin Yassin, who is facing 4 charges of abuse of power and 3 counts of money laundering linked to the Jana Wibawa program. Aliza said although T.C. Lian was not listed in Nepturis's corporate records, he had injected capital into the company and held a 30% interest, a matter known to her and fellow director Mohammad Rizman Akum Khan. She said T.C. Lian had transferred his 100% shareholding in Nepturis to her and Mohammad Rizman when they took over the company in 2018, and later they held equal stakes in the company according to SSM records. When asked whether the failure to disclose T.C. Lian's interest to SSM amounted to deception, Aliza said it did not. She added that the registration of her and Mohammad Rizman's names as directors and shareholders was valid and no legal action had been taken against them, T.C. Lian or Nepturis. Aliza also testified that Muhyiddin had no interest in Nepturis during his tenure as Prime Minister. However, she said she did not know whether Muhyiddin was aware of the company's ownership structure. She said Nepturis had undertaken several government projects, including the North Klang District Police Headquarters, the National Disease Control Centre, the Central Spine Road, and a school project in Terengganu. The court also heard testimony from the 14th prosecution witness, Senior Supervising Civil Engineer Saipullah Hussein.